Hello Team Hummel. In this video, we'll be showcasing how we pour a 5,000 square foot shop floor. Now there's some of the equipment that we'll be using. We had 5 power trowels, 2 vibe screeds, a crew of 5 finishers, 1 laborer, and the pump guy. So now 6-inch slab, here we are with an initial vibe, a light vibe on our integral drain system. You want to make sure you fill both sides of that drain before your final vibe to make sure you build that head pressure and you get all the voids out of there. Now we also vibrate the perimeter of these buildings to make sure concrete gets right to the outside edge. Now the most important part for flatness is where the overhead door rests on the slab. So we always use a straight edge and a level to make sure that area is perfect. And once the concrete's hard enough, we get on it with our power trowels, and the process of power troweling is flattening, leveling, and smoothing the concrete out as it hardens. So we have float blades that attach over the steel finish blades, and we do about 2 passes with the float blades to level it. Then we pull those off and we start with our finish blades to smooth it out. Now as it starts to get hard, the speed and the angle of those blades increase to accommodate for the hardness of the floor. Now the trick with power troweling is to go over it one way, each load as it's hardening, then you cross the pattern. You go opposite to take out any ridges or holes or lines that you left on the previous round until eventually you're left with a hard, smooth floor. Now timing is everything. You want to make sure you have the proper crew, guys, machines, etc. So after the floor is done, same day we're spraying a chemical cure and seal. This is going to allow the concrete to still breathe, but it's going to trap the moisture and allow a very slow cure. The slower the concrete cures, the better. So next day, we're pulling our drain system out, our integral drain system. So we're all concrete all around. It's pre-sloped on the bottom, so water will flow from the from the high end to the low end. And then we're gonna start going with our control joints. Now the rule of thumb for control joints is 1/4 of the depth of the slab you need to cut to control cracking. So 6-inch slab, we're 1.5 inch cut. 4-inch slab, it's a 1-inch cut. Now we like our big, some guys use soft cuts. We love our big wet saw. It's so quick, easy. It just takes a bit of time to wash, but it leaves a really clean job. We have a soft cut that we'll be trying out this year. So here we are all finished up. We washed all the slurry from all the cuts into the drain outside into a safe area. And we're just doing a final cleanup here. And then we're going to go to that main 20-foot overhead door and close it up and check for gaps. I don't see much. Thanks for watching.